Hello students, in this video we are going to see about data processing instructions from module 2. There are 5 groups of data processing instructions: move instructions, arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, compare instructions and multiply instructions. So in few instructions we will be having a suffix. So those instructions will update the CPSR flag. In CPSR we have 5 flags, no? Zero flag, negative flag, carry flag, overflow flag and signed overflow flag. So any one of the flag will be updated based on the result of arithmetic logical operation, in which instruction we have a suffix. First we will see about move instruction. So move instruction will copy the content of n to the destination register RD. So here the n can be register or immediate data. Syntax instruction, there can be condition and there can be s suffix. So these two are written inside the flower bracket, means these two are optional. The two operands are RD and n. So n copies into RD register, destination register. There are two instructions in move group, MOV and MVN. MOV, it copies the content of n into the RD register. Move negated, MVN means move negated. It negate first. In the first step is the n will be negated. The negated value will be transferred to RD register. Example, here in pre R5 is taken as 5, R7 is taken as 8. The instruction is move R7, R5. So R5 is n, R7 is RD, destination register. So R5 value will be copied to R7 register. So in the post you can see R5 is also 5, R7 is also 5. So R5 is copied into R7 register and R5 value will remain same. So next is arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instructions are used to do addition and subtraction. There are 6 instructions. Before that we will see syntax instruction. There can be condition and a suffix. There are 3 operands because here we have to store the result. So to store the result we will use RD register. The next 2 registers or next 2 operands are used to hold the data for the instruction. There are 6 instructions: addition with carry, subtraction with carry, reverse subtraction with carry. So this add instruction will add Rn content and n content. Add with carry will add along with carry flag. Along with these two, carry flag also will be added. Carry flag content can be either 0 or 1. So this also will be added here. Then subtract means Rn minus n. Subtract with carry means Rn minus n minus carry. Then reverse subtract. See, subtract means we will do Rn minus n. Reverse subtract means we have to do n minus Rn. Then reverse subtract with the carry means n minus Rn minus carry flag. Example, here this example is written for sub instruction. Sub R0, R1, R2. So R0 is the instruction register to store the result. R1 and R2 are holding the data. R1 is 2, R2 is 1. So the operation is R1 minus R2. So the result is R1, which is stored in R0 here. Second example is written for RSB, reverse subtract. Reverse subtract R0, R1, 0. Here the operation is 0 minus R1. 0 minus R1 means we have to take reverse of R1. Minus R1 we have to do. So the 00000076, it's the hexa value that is converted into binary. Just I am taking minus R1. So minus R1 means 0 should be converted to 1, 1 should be converted to 0. So this is F 89 that will be saved in R0 register. So after the execution we can find this data in R0 register. Next, logical instructions. Logical instructions are used to perform bitwise logical operation between two registers content or immediate value and register content. Syntax instruction, condition, yes, and same 3 operands. RD to store the result, Rn and n are used to hold the data for the operation. There are 4 instructions: and, or, logical AND, logical OR, logical XOR, bit clear. So logical AND means it will perform logical AND between Rn and n. Logical OR, it performs logical OR between Rn and n. Logical XOR, it performs logical XOR between Rn and n. Bit clear, bit clear also it performs logical AND between R and negated n. We'll see one example. Example is written for OR instruction. R0, R1, R2. So R0 is to store the result. Between R1 content and R2 content we have to perform OR operation. R1 is 02, 04, 06, 08, that is converted into binary. R2 is 10, 30, 50, 70, that is also converted into binary. Between this we have to do logical OR operation. Logical OR truth table we have. Based on that the answer is written. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hexa value. So this will be saved in R0 register. So after the execution we can find that in R0 register. Second example is written for BIC, bit clear. Bit clear, we know that between R1 and negated R2 we have to do AND operation. So first we will take negated R2. R2 is 0, 1, 0, 1. So if you take inverse it becomes 1, 0, 1, 0. Then R1 is 1, 1, 1, 1. With that we have to do AND operation. AND operation truth table is written. Based on that the result is written. Result is 1, 0, 1, 0. So after that in post we can find this 1, 0, 1, 0 in R0 register. So this result will be saved in R0 register. Next is compare. So in compare is used to compare any two register content or immediate value with the register content. Here the compare instruction, the default operation of compare instruction is updating CPSR flag. But in the move arithmetic or logical, if we have a suffix along with the instruction, then only the CPSR flag will be updated. But here at the end of execution CPSR flag will be updated. Okay, so you can see the syntax: instruction, condition, but there is no a suffix. A suffix will not be written here, but still compare instruction, all the compare instruction will update the CPSR flag. And there are only two operands. The operands are Rn and n. Rn and n, there is no RD, because RD register is used to store the result. In compare we will not store the result. We will do some operation based on the result. Only the CPSR flag will be set. There are four instructions: compare, compare negated, test, test for equality. In compare we are doing Rn minus n. In compare negated, Rn plus n. In test, Rn logical and n. In test for equality we all know, to check the equality always we will do XOR operation. So between Rn and n we are doing XOR operation. Example, CPSR. So when we are writing compare, example for compare, first line should be CPSR. CPSR, first all the flags, then this is control field IFT mode. R0 is taken as 4, R9 is taken as 4. Instruction is compare R0, R9. So for the compare operation, for the compare instruction, operation is subtraction. So R0 minus R9 will be done. 4 minus 4, 0. The result is 0. Since the result is 0, 0 flag will be set. So in the post, 0 should be written in caps. Next is multiplication. Multiplication is used to multiply two register content. There are two syntaxes. One is for multiplication, MUL. Another one is for multiply and accumulate. In multiply we have condition, and in both the cases we have condition and a suffix. In multiply there are 3 operands. In multiply and accumulate there are 4 operands. In multiply the operation is RD equal to RM into RS. In MLA operation is RD equal to RM into RS plus RN. Okay. Then example, MUL R0, R1, R2. So here R1 and R2 will be multiplied and the result will be stored in R0. R1 is 2, R2 is 2. 4 will be saved in R0 register. You can see in the post. So these are about data processing instructions. R0 is 0, R1 is 2, R2 is 2. When we multiply we will get 4, that is stored in R0 register.